What if I told you there are three simple products? Three products people buy every single day that have already helped thousands of people achieve financial freedom, and that in 2026 will sell more than ever before. Would you stay until the end of this video? Welcome to Zylexa. If you're new here, this is the channel where opportunity, technology, and real business come together. Today, we're not here to talk about dreams. We're here to talk about real products, real numbers, and real strategies people are using right now to make money online. Now, let's get into the first product. One of the best-selling products in the world. Why women's jewelry sells. Let's be clear. Women will always buy jewelry. Because jewelry isn't just an accessory. It's how women feel confident, elegant, and complete. What's changed today is the quality. Stainless steel. Gold-plated. No tarnish. No rust. It looks expensive without being expensive. And that's exactly why it sells, especially in 2026. The global jewelry market is worth over $300 billion. And stainless steel jewelry is growing by more than 8% every year. That's not a trend. That's a market shift. Let's talk profit. On AliExpress or Alibaba, you can find high-quality stainless steel jewelry for as little as $1.35 to $2.60 per piece. Some suppliers even allow a minimum order of just 3 units. Now look at TikTok Shop. The exact same jewelry sells for $28 to $30. That's over $26 in profit per item. This is the profit margin. Even after ads and fees, the numbers are still very strong. Now, let's move to the second product. One of the most profitable and best-selling markets in the world. Why hair and nails always sell. Hair and nails are not just beauty. They represent confidence, identity, and self-image. And women never stop investing in how they look. Human hair, wigs, bundles, lace, nail products. These are everyday purchases, not trends. And that's why this market never dies. The global human hair market is worth over $10 billion. And on TikTok Shop, some sellers generate $1,000 to $5,000 in a single live session. Let's talk profit. On Alibaba, you can find 100% human hair for prices ranging from $9 to $50, depending on length and quality. On TikTok Shop, the same hair sells for $75 to $300. That means a profit of $66 to $250 per unit. And even if you sell at a lower price to increase volume, the margins remain very strong. Now let's talk about one of the most profitable and best-selling products in the world. A product with margins ranging from 200 to over 1,000%. It's simple, essential, and impossible to replace. No balloons, no wedding. No balloons, no birthday. No balloons, no decoration. This is not a trend. It's a requirement. Now here's where it gets interesting. On Alibaba, some balloons cost as little as 3 to 6 cents per piece. Good quality, wholesale pricing. Those same balloons are sold for $1 each. That's a 30 times markup. And because balloons sell in volume, the profit adds up very fast. Money doesn't disappear. It only changes hands. These three products are not new. They're not risky. They're not complicated. But they sell. They have demand. And they are scalable. If you take just one of them seriously, 2026 can completely change your life. If this video opened your eyes, like it, subscribe to Zylexa, and share it with someone who needs to see this. This is Zylexa,